got introduced to the Bolton group through a friend of mine. The day just went really smooth. Now I feel more confident in my profession. People are charging very big dollars, getting half the result of what I got in one procedure. Everybody is, they're total professionals. Dr. Bolton is great. As far as I'm concerned, he's the best at in this craft. The suture scar, you can't even find it in my hair. Not because I got a lot of hair, it's just because he is that good. I thank each and every one of you, and especially you, Dr. Bolton. You are a gift from God, that's what I can say.
Found Dr. Bolton, and after one attempt, my result was dramatic. You get the greatest bang for your buck. The way he attempts it is to get the best result at that time. And I've been very happy, and I can't say a negative word about it. It's a true blessing. Don't believe that I had this result in one sitting. I'd like to thank him. I'm just overwhelmed and over grateful.
Nobody wants to see it go. Dr. Bolton's office was, as far as I could tell, the research that I did was the best in the area. We were just talking the whole time. I didn't even actually read much of anything. It's awesome. It's like I got my hair back. I feel so much better. I feel so much younger. I feel great, you know. I feel great about my hair. Like the first time I've been the hat guy. I would recommend Dr. Bolton. The staff and everybody was very competent. He exceeded my expectations as far as what I thought I was going to get out of it. Thanks, Dr. Bolton. Appreciate it. Cheers.
Losing my hair really affected my confidence more than anything. Hair transplant surgery was the only real option that is available today. My procedure lasted about 5 hours. The staff was very friendly. There was literally no pain during the procedure. The results are amazing. I mean, I couldn't be happier with the results from the first procedure that I had. The investment was worth it to me. I recommend Dr. Bolton to anybody that I talk about. I thank Dr. Bolton for giving me back my confidence and my hair and my looks and everything.
This is something I would be interested in, and it was really a great experience. Very relaxing, not a lot of pain. My complexion looked better, I felt better. You look in the mirror and you just can't believe it. Some people have noticed, they'll say something different about you, you look different, you'll look younger. The investment is well worth it for anybody, 150%. Dr. Bolton, thank you for making me feel like I'm 50 years old when I'm 70. I'm very happy, and it was a wonderful experience, and the end result was a terrific feeling for me.